as you can tell, we are going to be making some raspberry jam. I know things are getting crazy again, so I just wanted to do a couple videos on how to preserve, how to do some quick cooking tips, and just, make more content because I want to share more content with you. So let's get on to making this really simple, easy jam. Okay, so we're gonna start off with 1 lemon. We are going to peel it and utilize its zest in our jam. But make sure you get all of that zesty goodness. Roll your lemon so that way you have the juiciest of juicy lemons. Line up your zest and start cutting it. We are going to be doing a nice little mincy mince, and you want it to be like so. We are going to start with our raspberries now. We need 1 quart. We are juicing our 1 lemon. Make sure you don't get any seeds in there. Try to use your hand or a strainer if you have one. Add your lemon zest. So now we are going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar to our berries. And we are going to do a procedure called maceration. So we need to stir our berries, make sure that they are evenly coated with our lemon juice and our lemon zest. And this is to create a nice and juicy berry. So the way that we do this, it just kind of makes the berries cry their natural juiciness, So you will see in a couple minutes that they will get nice and juicy. About 10. See, super juicy and super beautiful, and kind of looks like blood, so it's cool. So now that our berries have cried out their natural juices, we are going to add them to a skillet or pot and add some water just to coat the bottom of the pan so that our sugars and berries do not burn. Make sure that you stir them, and then we're going to put it over a medium to high heat and cover it until it has some bubbles, like so. Nice and bubbly like a hot tub. Now we want to make sure that we stir our berries consistently and monitor our heat, so that way they do not burn. Make sure you use a non-stick pan because it will help you, so that way the sugars do not stick to the bottom of the pan. Just a tip. So now that our berry mixture has gotten nice and reduced, this is the thickness that you should be looking for also. Bless you, Jada. My cat just sneezed while recording this voiceover. But as you can see, it's nice and thick. And it's going to get thicker when we cool it down. So we need to put it into a container to make sure that it cools down properly. Leave it at room temp for a little bit, and then place it in your refrigerator and or ice box or whatever the hell you want to call it, and it should be nice and thick. But for right now, look at that viscosity. So I let it sit overnight, and now I'm about to show you the little spready spread that it does. Isn't it beautiful? It's nice and red, obviously, because they are raspberries, but I put it on a nice little thing of brioche, and if you like toaster strudels, you're gonna like this on brioche. Trust me, it's bomb.com. Gonna cut it in half so it's easier to eat. This is all for tasting. You can literally put the jam on anything. Guys, it's the morning. I'm sorry to get so close. I just want you to be able to hear me. My boyfriend is currently sleeping, and we're in a railroad, so I gotta keep it down. But I wanted to show you guys what the jam looks like when it sits overnight. This is how thick it looks, and this is without any pectin. I wanted to have a little bit of breakfast before I leave today. I'm not gonna lie, I tried a little bit last night, and the lemon zest that we cut up ended up working really well with the raspberries and bringing out their flavor. Acid is one of those things that is very important to bring out food's flavor, almost as much as salt. So I didn't use any salt in my jam recipe. I wanted to try to keep it just to 3 ingredients, so I'm really happy with it. I didn't use any pectin, so I'm really excited. So let's give it a try, guys. It's really good. It's tart at first, and it gets super sweet. I'm definitely excited to eat this on my walk to the bus before work. I really appreciate you guys watching this. You know, each and every one of you watching means a lot. So if you liked this really super simple, easy recipe, make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want to see more easy recipes like this one, make sure that you hit that subscribe button as well. Hit the bell, and we're gonna also have some more true crime videos coming up with the cooking. So just stay tuned. There's a ton of videos that are gonna be coming at you very, very shortly. I love you, and I hope that you have a killer day. Bye.